Hi all, you're back on the Happy Tool channel. Today, we'll show you how to posting videos on the YouTube platform. How to put that video in the top search. The first time you want to post a video on YouTube, then you go to YouTube and search to see if that title has many searches. The title you are looking for should have content related to the video content that you make. For example, I make a video with the theme of automatic posting on the Instagram platform. First, I open the browser, then I enter the search term. For example, I would type post automatically on Instagram. You see, I have not finished entering the keyword, but YouTube has proposed this keyword. I'm at the top of this search. I'll use this as the title of the video. I made a video with this title. Did you see your video in the top 1 search? Here I choose in the video. Did you see that? This video is at the top of the search. This video has 125,000 views, but is still below my video. Or this video 11,000 views. It's still under my video. Here, I will also show you some of my videos. Top 1 search offline. Find Facebook auto groups. For example, I was looking for find Facebook auto groups. Have you seen it? Here is my video. At the top of search by this keyword. Videos 62,000 views, or videos 47,000 views. Still under my video. Then I choose the video. This video is on top of the search. First, when you want to, if you post a video, you should choose the title with the most searches. After you've determined the title, the second step is that you will SEO raw video and SEO search keywords when posting videos offline. Raw video SEO steps and raw SEO search keywords when posting videos. Then you all know that, right? Let's go through this step quickly. For example, SEO search keywords when posting videos. For example, you uploaded a video, right? I'll show you one of my videos. For example, when you choose to upload a video like this, then when you go to the step of entering SEO search keywords, you will search for keywords that people who view them often enter in the search box. Then you copy and paste it here. How to get 500 words. Here's how to help you. SEO direct search keywords when posting videos. This is very important. You should enter it correctly and enough for yourself. The last step is seeding video. According to the algorithm of that YouTube platform, when your video has just been uploaded, within the first 24 hours, your title keyword, that the more searches you have, and people choose to watch your video, then your video, the easier it is to get to the top of a search. And it's going to be pushing other digital videos down as well. This is the way. I put my video at the top of the search. You look, I posted a video about 3 weeks ago. It's only 130 views. And then you'll see, these videos have 62,000 views, 47,000 views, 94,000 views, this 13,000 views. It's under my video. Here's a proof for everyone to see. 4,000 views remain under his video. My video posted last week has 86 views, but still at the top of the search. Did you see that? Here are 3 steps to help you SEO video to the top. 1 search that I am applying. When seeding, you will be using the YouTube accounts to seeding. I also have a tool to help you with automatic video seeding. As you can see, this is the interface of the software. Here you can select the seeding function. Then you choose yourself, seeding video by keyword. The first thing you need to do is to enter the title of your video. Then you can put your video link here. The software helps you automatically. For your YouTube clone accounts, automatically go to search, keyword, then it will be auto-click on the video. Let's take a look at yours. For example, I would like to enter the keyword scrape comment on Facebook. Then I'll enter here. Then I'll just copy the URL of the video. Then I put it here. For example, I have 10 YouTube accounts, right? I would be to enter this 10. Then I select the YouTube clone I want to run, and I press start. You'll have 10 YouTube accounts in total. It will be automatically go keyword search, then we'll select the right video to watch. Let us see how the software works. If you want to experience the software, please contact me through the channels I left in the video and comment offline. Then my video is over. If you like it, give me a like, a subscribe, as well as press the notification bell to receive notifications while your latest video offline. And now, I say goodbye to you all, and see you again in the next videos.